Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be talking about hip twist turns and where to use them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we post our next video. Okay, so just to specify what exactly a hip twist turn is. So anytime we are standing on either our right foot or our left foot, we are turning. So let's say I'm standing on that left foot, I will be twisting or turning towards the left. Okay? Or if I'm standing on the right foot, I'm twisting or turning towards the right. Hip twist turn, you can dance as a quarter of a turn, a half of a turn, or even a full turn. As I said previously, if we're standing on the right foot, I will be turning towards the right. Now, when I start to turn, I activate my upper part of the body first, and then my lower part of the body will follow. Make sure that before you do your hip twist turn, that you are fully on that standing foot. So right now I'm on my left foot, full weight on that left foot, and then I will activate my upper part of the body and my lower part will follow. So something that you need to work on so that you can create this upper part and lower part is isolations. So you want to be able to isolate your upper part of your body from your lower part of the body. So from here, if I'm standing on my left foot, only from my top up am I going to go towards the left. Okay, try it again. To the left, to the left. Yeah, and at first, it's gonna feel quite tight. It's gonna feel difficult, but the more and more you practice it, the more it will be flexible and able to isolate that upper part. Yeah? And now we finish, go to your absolute maximum. And then from here, you bring that hip around. Yeah, let's go back again. We're here and hip. We're at our maximum with our upper part and lower part will follow. Let's try it to the other side. So we're gonna stand now on our right foot and we're gonna turn our upper part of the body, isolating it from the lower part to the right. Yeah? Put those hands out in front of you. And again, turn it. And again, turn it. And again, now to our absolute maximum and lower part will follow. And again, we're here, upper part is at its maximum and lower part follows underneath. And again, upper part at its maximum and lower part follows. And if you notice, when my lower part follows, I'm also doing a pivoting action through my foot. And I wanna make sure that I pivot through the toe of my foot and not through the heel of my foot. Okay? So I go upper part, lower part, and pivot. Okay, let's try it again. Upper part, lower part, and pivot. Also, to add on to what we were saying about the isolation, is that not only is your upper part of your body isolating and your lower part of the body is doing nothing, but your upper part will be moving in one direction as your lower part feels as if it is moving in the opposite direction. So you're feeling quite an oppositional pull as you're going into that hip twist. So I'm standing on that left foot. My upper part is pulling towards the left as my lower part of the body is pulling towards the right in opposition of each other. So upper part is going to the left, lower part is going in opposition of that. So we're going opposition, then we will bring it around. Yep, let's try that again. And opposition, and then bring it. Yeah? Okay, let's try it now, standing on our right foot. Again, upper part is working in opposition with our lower part. So I'm going towards the right with my upper and pulling towards the left with my lower. So we have, and boom. Try it again. Opposition to the maximum. Boom. So we talked about the opposition before we actually do the hip twist part. So we said that the upper part feels as if, let's say I'm standing on my right foot, it's going to the right, lower part is going to the left. Now when I unwind, I'm going to feel as if my hip is going to the right and my upper part of the body is going towards the left. So I keep myself in balance. So I'm always working in opposition to keep myself in balance. So again, my upper part is going to the right, lower part is feeling as if it's going towards the left, and now lower part is going to go towards the right and upper part is going to go towards the left. To work, try that again, and to work in opposition. So if you take a really basic routine, so let's say we take a really basic Rumba, there are a lot more hip twist turns than you would think. So for instance, if we take a basic Rumba routine, and let's say we're doing a New York. So I step to the side. Now, right before we're going into that check position, we have a hip twist turn. So we work in opposition, and check, and side, and again, another hip twist turn. So working in opposition, and 2, 3, 4. And the same thing we have in a hand-to-hand, but not going into the hand-to-hand, but coming out of the hand-to-hand. So I step back, and now from here, we have another hip twist turn. Boom, and side, and back, forward, and here's the hip twist turn, returning, and side. Also, on the spot turn, we'll have it on the first and the last step. So we go into it, we have a hip twist turn, we do our forward walk turning, and now coming out of it, we have another hip twist turn and side, and again, a hip twist turn, forward walk turning, and another hip twist turn and side. And moving on to a more advanced step is our sliding doors, the follower step. We have 3 hip twists in there. So we have, just to show you, we have back, forward, and from here, this is a hip twist, upper, lower, and now when we take this step, we have another one, upper, lower, we have our cucaracha, and from here, another one, upper, lower, and step. And then we do it again, one more time, and back and forward, upper, lower, step, upper, lower, bend, here we go, last one, upper, lower, and turn. So as you can see, there are a bunch of hip twists, even from our very basic steps to our more advanced steps. So why don't you take your routines and see how many hip twist turns you can find. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.